everyone. Today we are going to see the lesson sound. In sound we can see part 1 A, B. First in part 1, what is sound? How the sound comes produces. The sound produces by vibration. A small experiment. Keep your fingers on your throat and talk or sing anything, then you can feel the vibration. Next we can see the example of vibration, how the sound, how we can produce. We can produce by anything. We can produce by our vocal cord, any like hitting a table or hitting a board or anything. Like keeping it, then we can get a sound. The sound can be like travel in matters such as solid, liquid, and gas. The sound won't travel in vacuumed place. For that experiment, take a box or take a cup and open the down place and keep a bell inside and close it. Next, take a first we should see, does sound travels in solid, liquid, gas? Yes. If I'm talking, if one person's ears is going, yeah, because my sound travels by air. Like take close button, a bell, and make it electric bell. Then on the switch. Then the bell rings. Then you can hear the sound. Next, take a vacuum pipe and take all the airs out. Then the place will be so vacuum. Then you can on it. Then you can't hear any sound of the bell. Next we can see changing the sound. There are like slow, there are different types of sound instrument. Stringed instrument, wind instrument, example is guitar. Wind instrument, saxophone. Percussion instrument maybe like drum, like that. Stop. Next we can see string instrument. What is string instrument? It contains string like in guitar. This is a guitar I drawn. Like these are the strings, right? When we are playing, when we are making it move with pitch, then the strings will be moved. Then it produce sound. Next we can see wind instrument, saxophone. Saxophone inside the air inside the saxophone vibrates, then this saxophone produces sound. Can change the sound by their instrument. There are two ways to change the sound of the instrument, with higher and softer, making the instrument sound as higher and softer, also called as loudness. Changing pitch. It makes the note higher or lower. It makes the note higher or lower. These two are a method of changing the sound inside the instruments. Next we can see loudspeaker. On the, then it will vibrate. Many times you may see some loudspeaker, and when you are touching it will be vibrating. When in a function they may put loudspeakers. That time if you know and touch also, you may feel the vibration after you touch when they are playing songs and etc. Next we can see looking at vibrations. Like when we may play like keeping a table. It's a table. And making a scale with a hand. We may control this with the hand because sometimes it may fall. Next we may pull it down. Then per second. It's called frequency. Vibration per second. Like in 1 second, they may, if we give force, many force to it, it will vibrate so fast. That's why, for example, we can tell in 1 second, it vibrated 10 times. For example, we can tell that this.
चलो
Next we can see, like for example, it vibrated 20 times per second. Then in other frequency, then in frequency they will tell 20 hertz. 20 hertz means H is equal to hertz. Then equal to 20 hertz is equal to 1 vibration per second. For example, we can calculate. To calculate frequency, should do 25.0 seconds divided by 20. Then the answer comes as then the answer is 0.0 hertz. Next we can see how the vibration travels. The vibration travels like this is the rest position of it. Next is it's coming up and going to its rest position and going down and coming to the rest position. It will happen 1,000 times when we can't see the count the vibration, because the vibration will be so fast. It's the way how the vibration goes. Thank you. Have a nice day.